Hi guys, good afternoon. Hope you all are doing fine. So today I'm talking about a topic which is very dear to my heart and have started feeling so strongly about it. It is about our menstrual cycle, about girls who are about to reach their menarche, and how it is a taboo in our household to even talk about period pain or breast tenderness or the cramps which you get, the stomach pain, all kind of PMS issues, because since years and times immemorial we have been taught to keep this hidden in cover and not tell it to anyone, because of how we have been brought up, how women and their health is always relegated, how taking care of women taking care of themselves is never considered a priority. And I then started reflecting and delving deeper into this and understood one thing. If you have an issue, if you have some kind of health challenge, if there is something in your body which is giving you a signal, and you have been taught or made to believe that this is your destiny, like a period pain, like the cramps which you get, all the menstrual symptoms which you get, you have been told for years that this is how women feel when they reach their period cycle, or this is how we have also felt, and you start to believe that this is normal. So like I always say, what is common is not normal. Think about it again. And the more and more you tend to believe that this is your fate, that this is how it should be, the more and more you resign to it, and the more and more you are not willing to work on it because of something which you have believed to be your destiny. Tell me if I am wrong. If you believe that period pain is normal, if you believe that menstrual symptoms, whatever you are getting before your periods, is normal, will you ever look into how you can better it? No. So start delving into it, start understanding that body is trying to speak to you, and there is something which you can work on. It's all a combination of your lifestyle, food, your emotions, and everything. And there is never a day in your life that you should feel that it is too late now. There is always a time you can start working on it, and you will. Your body is such a beautifully designed creation of nature that the more and more you start working on it, you will immediately start seeing results. It is so fascinating to even understand the intelligence of human body. So I am here to tell you that I was also that person who used to hide that I have got periods pain or that blood stain, because it was not considered it was not considered good or moral to even talk about all that. So I have been brought up this way. My sister, my mother, we all had period pain, but we always thought that this was normal. But tell your kids, tell your daughter that this is not normal, and you can have a pain free period. You can work on aligning your hormones, and it is all available to you, because the more and more you do that for yourself, the more and more you allow the generation ahead of you to understand that it is absolutely normal for you to talk about your period, to talk about your issues, to talk about your challenges. It is a part of your body, and you cannot divorce it from your being. Can you do that? How can you operate well as a human being if you are not allowed to talk about something which is bothering you? So any kind of sadistic view on that, that if someone is doing that he has to be shamed, it is not you, it is that person needs to understand, get a peace of mind that you have to talk about it, you have to get a redressal out of it, and there is no shame in talking about it. If there is something which can help you, you should go ahead and do it. Moreover, I was thinking of about a custom in I think in South India. uh, it is celebrated when a girl reaches her menarche. It's a celebration in that household for I think 15 or 20 days. They do it with a lot of pomp and show. Earlier I used to think, what kind of buffoonery is this that they are celebrating it? But yes, this is beautiful, because a girl reaching menarche is uh, allowing the nature to operate through her, and it is such a beautiful design of nature. And the more and more we accept and celebrate our womanhood, the more and more we learn to understand things which we can take care of, build upon, and scale up in life. So don't take shame, and allow your body to function in beautiful harmony with the nature, and learn to embrace your womanhood. You are only going to do that. And if anyone thinks otherwise, let him be. He will have his time in his life to understand what you are doing, and work on making a beautiful balance between you and your hormones. That's the first point to start, and it starts with you. And it starts with you accepting that yes, you are a woman, you have your nature cycle, and you are going to make it beautiful for yourself, because you are suffering, you are feeling the pain, no one else. And if talking helps, if spreading a word about it helps, if hearing about it helps, if reading about it helps, go ahead and do it. Thank you guys, thank you so much.